Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up terminal server on Windows Server 2025. Click on Server Manager. Our computer name is L Server. Our domain name is stb.local. Our Ethernet 0 IP address is 10.0.0.1. Now I am going to set up terminal server. Click on Dashboard. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Roles-based and featured-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Check on Remote Desktop Services. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next again. Check on Remote Desktop Connection Broker. Click Add Features. Check on Remote Desktop Gateway. Click Add Features. Check on Remote Desktop Licensing. Click Add Features. Check on Remote Desktop Session Host. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Select Roles Service. Leave as default. Click Next. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Server will restart several of times during the terminal server installation. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Log on as domain administrator. Put admin password. Press Enter. Now the installation is completed. Click Close. By default, terminal server provide 120-day free trial. After that terminal server installation. Now let us verify the terminal server is proper install or not. I am going to create a new user. Go to Tools. Select Active Directory Users and Computers. Maximize. Expand domain, stb.local. Let's right-click on it. Select New. Select Organizational Unit. Set OU name. I am given it name RDP. Click OK. You can also create a user under Users sections. But in my case I am creating a user under RDP OU. Click on User. Fill user information. Click Next. Set user password. Uncheck User must change password at next logon. Check User cannot change password. Check Password never expires. Click Next. Click Finish. Rohit user is created. Let's right-click on it. Select Properties. Click Member of. Click Add. Type Remote. Click Check Name. Select Remote Desktop Users. Click OK. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Go to another machine. Go to Windows. Right-click on Windows. Select Run. Type MSTSC. Click OK. Type here server IP address 10.0.0.1. You can also take RDP through server name. But I preferred take RDP through IP address 10.0.0.1. Press Enter. Enter your credentials. Username, Rohit. Put password. Click OK. Click Yes. As you can see, Rohit user is log on successfully. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up terminal server on Windows Server 2025. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.